Please join me tonight from 8 to 10 for the Asia session, sponsored by My Funded Futures. I'm hosting it, again, every Monday through Thursday from 8 to 10, so be there. We cover the 5 assets, S&P, NASDAQ, gold, oil, and silver. Also, if anyone would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email. I give it out every Monday. You have access to my live stream Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4, my Discord chat where you can communicate with me. And if you like it, then you go to the Complete Trader, and it's $4.50 a day. All right, so if, again, 914-500-7484 if you would like to join get a free access to my live stream every single day at sktrading.live. All right. So what do we see today? It's all about Nvidia. Everybody's all bulled up here. The stock is up another 4%. Right? We saw Broadcom up 5%. Beautiful patterns on both. We saw Coinbase, Bitcoin, monster pattern. Bitcoin above 81,000, monster patterns on Bitcoin. We saw the chip stocks not acting that well. We saw great shorts on SanDisk on the sell disconnects. We saw the Russell very strong, the 30-minute time frames. Again, we've been in this monster trend here. But nobody's going to do anything until Tuesday when Nvidia's earnings are going to come out. Everybody's betting the NASDAQ to go to 32,000. The last, the QQQs are up $60, okay, in 6 weeks. $60 in, is it 6 weeks? Let me see what I wrote here. Hold on a second. I think it's, the Qs are up in 2 weeks, $60 in 2 weeks. Oy vey. So, unbelievable move here. All bulled up here. We saw Intel not acting right. Tesla not acting that right here. Market looks tired. We've got this monster big push up here. But again, it's all about what? It's all about the chips and AI stocks. And that's exactly what's fueling this market on the way up. Now, today we saw big buy reversals on Microsoft on the 30-minute. Great pullbacks, 2 great pullbacks on the 15. We saw monster reversals on Broadcom. Beautiful long on I caught a beautiful long on Broadcom. We made about 4.5, 5. It ran another 4, so a great pattern there. We saw the Russell, really great patterns. Gold, monster shorts in gold today. The GLDs reversed to sell on the 15 and the 60-minute time frames, and I'll show you the great pattern on gold. Also, the USOs reversing to sell on the 30-minute time frame. Oil very sluggish today. But again, the number one pattern of the day, really truly was the pullback on Broadcom, the pullback on Nvidia, the pullback on Bitcoin. Coinbase, the pullback on Bitcoin. These are great patterns here. And again, let's just get right to it here. So what you want to really do here when you're in this positive trend and this monstrous trend, and by the way, AMAT reported earnings after the bell, was up 33, only up 19 now. Cisco, another big catalyst for the day, pushed up, was trading above, up 22. When I got in, it was up when I was 15, 16. I tried to short it. I missed it. And then it went straight down. All right, so be it. But again, so this is Broadcom today. Let's look at Broadcom AVGO. Very strong, as you can see. This is the pullback here on Broadcom on the 60-minute time frame. I love when the MACDs are crossing positive from below the pivot. And you can see very bullish MACDs here. Very bullish MACDs on the 30. You can see the 60s. Here's the beautiful pattern coming in. We gapped up here. So we were already bullish on the 15. You can see the spike up. I love when you get this big pencil up and then you get the push down here into these positive MACDs, especially on the 15-minute time frame. So you get the push up here. You can see the high 34. It pulled in beautifully. We caught this beautiful long on Broadcom off the 5-minute. Once everything reversed, and then you can see this is a monster bull flag right after the opening. We actually, look at this monster bull flag. We were buying this under 27.5. Boom, it went to 30. It dropped again. When you see the oversold condition like this into a positive MACD, rising ADX on the 5, big buying pressure, monster ADX rising on the 30, monster buying pressure on the 15. All you got to do is just say, back up the truck, Gus, and it was right there. Okay. Also, if you look here, once you got the double blue buy, the 5-minute time frame correlating with the 15, 30, and 60, you take another long here. Here's another long on Broadcom. Look at this. Never look back. Boom. Right up there. Look. 4 or 5 points. Then what happened? We got the pullback here on the 15, but the real story when you get a big move like that is the 30-minute time frame. We got long here. Beautiful. I said like 31. And this is a pattern. So you look to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. Boom! Kaboom! $11 on Broadcom. A monster pattern, oversold into an oversold condition. ADX rising on the 60, monster buying pressure. You can even see when you got the oversold condition on the 30, you can see how the dots, the yellow dots, did not even near look like it was going to reverse to sell. Nvidia, another great one today. All right, now Nvidia, every time it pushed up here to new highs, you see the negative MACDs, how the market was really truly affected there. And then you got the big push up here. You can see the bigger time frames were all in buy mode here from the day before. Now we really didn't get any type of a decent pullback here, even on the 30-minute time frame. So we'll see what happens. But the earnings are coming out on Tuesday, so I'm staying clear. I took a nice little short on Nvidia. I covered a little bit too quickly. It dropped another $1, but I'm happy. You know, when you're shorting new all-time highs, you got to be very careful in scalping the shorts like that. Also today, SanDisk, SNDK. If you see, SanDisk is about to reverse the sell on the 30, but we got the big sell here on the 15-minute time frame. And when you got the sell on the 15, it correlated to sell on the 60-minute time frame, as you can see right here. So now that puts you into what the condition, which is a sell disconnect. And when you have a sell disconnect, then what you look to do, you look to short bounces on the 5 or the 15. And here you go. You can see here's a bounce here on the 15. Here's another bounce on the 15. And then you got what's called a double red short. A double red short is one of my strategies that gives you the ability to look at the 5-minute time frame, which correlated with the 15 and 60. So that's a sell disconnect. Or even when you're in a sell condition, when all 3 time frames are in negative, 15, 30, and 60. And what do you look to do? You short the first bounce here. Look at this. This is a Picasso. 98, boom. Look at that. In 4 bars, it dropped $23. An absolute Picasso. Negative MACDs on the 5. This is a gift. Monster short, monster short there. Okay. Also, what else are we looking at here? Bitcoin here, USD. You can see Bitcoin reversing to buy here on the 60-minute time frame, monster pattern. Again, when these MACDs are crossing up from below the pivot line, big mouth. Love that. What do you look to do? Well, you buy, and especially if it correlates with the 30, you buy the first pullback right here on the 15, the second pullback here on the 15, and then the 30-minute time frame should be setting up. Monster long. Oh my God, this is some bull flag setting up here on Bitcoin for tonight. So again, because Bitcoin trades all night long. Coinbase, very bullish. Coinbase, the 60-minute time frame now reverses to buy on my indicator 4 when the MACDs are above the pivot. So what you do is you take shorts on the overbought condition. You could have started shorting this here above the 20 level. The high was 22. It got kaboosh down to 15. But again, when Coinbase got that pullback the first time, you see the pullback here. This is the first pullback on the 15 right here. It traded down to 15, so $1 lower, and then ripped right up back up to 20. So about, $4.5, maybe $5.5 on that. And that was a pretty damn good long there. But again, what the moves here, last but not least, the GLDs. When you see the GLDs in the sell mode on the 60, the 15's in the sell mode, and guess what happens when the 30, let's put the 30 over here. We'll put the 30 here. The 30 reverses to sell. And what do? Boom. Here it is, the 15s. Look at that. That's a Picasso. The 30s reverse to sell at 230. Now, but you're already in a sell disconnect with the 15s and the 60s. Well, then what's what happens? You're in a major short there. But in this situation here, when the 15s reverse to sell right here, so this is a great strategy here. When the 15s reverse to sell right here, it correlated with the 60-minute time frame, putting the GLDs, the underlying ETFs, in a sell disconnect. Okay. Now, watch this. When the gold futures reverse to sell here, okay, when the gold futures reverse to sell on the 30-minute, right here, you can see here the 30s and then the 15s reverse to sell right here. So now the GLDs are in sell mode on the, the gold futures are in sell mode on the 15 and 30. What do you look to do? You short the bounce on the 15-minute time frame. We got short this above 47.03 all the way up. People were scaling in. And look at this. This is a pattern. This is a correlated pattern, okay? Whereas the underlying ETF and the continuous contract went into sell disconnect, and you had the negative MACDs on the 15, the push up to 47.07, never looked back, dropped over 50 points throughout the day. Look at that, 47.07.03, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, boom, $24. All right. Okay, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. All right. When I get back, I'll tell you what I expect for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, let's look at the underlying ETFs. I'm not going to be in tomorrow. I have to speak at an event in Tampa. But if you look here at the 30 and the 60-minute time, I'll put the 30 here. Let me just get back to the 30, and I'll put the 60 over here. You can see this is exactly what happened today. We got this beautiful, beautiful pullback here. And this is where the long happened, 746.31. We ripped here about 17 points on the S&P. But again, look, the bottom line is we may get one more push up here off the hourly. We did hit a new all-time high. I believe the S&P's hit the 75.38 level, 39. And the NASDAQ got up to the, I believe, the 730 level. What was the high? 730, 750 or something like that. But again, if you really look at the tail here, you're 25. I mean, this is ludicrous. Since we got this move from 6,300, we haven't gotten one pullback on the daily. A little bit ridiculous here. The gamma guys are really fueling the market, but overall, I think it's just really important to understand how the markets are really structured. I think that there's a caboosing coming, but again, I think it's going to be after options expiration / the end of when Nvidia reports earnings. So again, a great day for our community. Caught a lot of great shorts early in the morning. Caught a couple great longs. Actually, one long, we got some people caught about 130 to almost 170 on the NASDAQ. Great day on that. But, with that, I just think overall, if you're trading the market, just very, very careful if you're scalping or if there's pattern trades, and I identify either or. That's what makes a difference, being able to identify the pattern trades versus the scalp trades. So again, I showed you a bunch of great pattern trades here tonight on the bull, the bear, and the ugly. All right, when I get back, I want to talk to you about the mindset of trading. So as a great trader, most important thing is the mindset. Again, like I told you this a number of times, when I walk through that door every single day, my mind's completely blank. People think I'm joking when I say that. I'm not. I'm being honest with you. I come in, right? Boom. I look at my bigger time frames. When the NASDAQ and S&Ps pushed up this morning to new highs, we faded it, and boy, did they drop. 150, 170 points on the NASDAQ. I think 15 to 18 points on the S&P. Being a great trader requires you to be almost like an athlete. You have to train your mind. You have to train the way you see things. Being able to look at a stock and look at 3 time frames. If you're looking at index futures or commodity futures, to look at the underlying ETFs when you're trading. This is all part of being able to be great in a great industry, right? And again, you are your own, you create your own destiny. And that's why I love doing what I do every day and trying to help everybody to become great traders. 44 years come this August 1st. Trade Live Capital, and I've traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life. So it's a really great honor for me to do this. I love helping everybody. But the mindset of a great trader, no revenge trading. There are rules. Put stops in, even if it's a mental stop, and so you don't like putting stop orders in. Yesterday, there's times I put mental stops in. Okay, that's it. Boom, just buy them. Okay, just boom, just sell them. I'm out. Next, off my mind. Next trade. I don't look back. What could I have done differently? I'll look at it tonight. Okay, but again, having the mindset, being able to do the work. Don't beat yourself up if you have a bad trade. It's just a trade. There's about 15,000 trades a day. I'm just making it up. Whatever. There's more than that. But I'm just saying, you don't have to beat yourself up. You don't have to get down if you have a losing trade or you get stopped out. Next, right? You just go with the flow, loosey goosey. Keep yourself focused, and that's what's really going to make you win. And that's what's really going to make you into a great trader. All right. Thank you for joining me tonight on the Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment. If you'd like to join my community of traders from all around the world, please go to sktrading.live and please hit the complete trader. And I love to see you each and every day here at 8:30 to 4. If you'd like to follow me on social media, please follow me on official Stephen Kalayjian on X, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Again, if you'd like a 5-day free trial, or if you just want to text me or call me, have a question, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. If you'd like the 5-day free trial, please send me your full name and email. Also, if you want to follow me tonight on the My Fund the Futures YouTube during the Asia session, we do 10 giveaways at 9:50. It's really fun. It's a great 2 hours. I hope to see you there. Thank you again, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. I'll see you tonight.